Hello everyone, how to solve this problem for the values of b if we have square root of b divided by b is equals to 5 and we solve this problem for the values of b. So here first we find all the roots of this equation and at the last we will be verify that which of the roots are solution and which of the roots are extraneous root. Further we solve this problem for two methods. I hope so you like both of these methods, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. So here we move towards the solution of this problem from first method. So that in first method we move this b to the right hand side, and you see here this b is divided by left hand side. When we move it into the right hand side, it is multiplied by 5. So after moving this b into the right hand side, we get square root of b is equals to 5 times of b. And now here our next target is to remove the square root sign from left hand side. And you know that when we remove square root sign from left hand side, we need to take squaring on both of the sides. So when we take squaring on both of the sides, it will be written as this 2 and this square root are gone, and we will get here b is equals to, here we need to apply the square separately on both of these values, and it will becomes 5 square into b square. Okay. So here we need more simplifications, and it will becomes b is equals to 5 square becomes 25 and b square becomes b square. And this implies that here we need to move this b to the right hand side, and it will becomes 25 times of b square. This is positive b. When we move it into the right hand side, it will become negative b, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now you see here both of these terms involve b, so that here we take common b from here. So when we take common b, we get the remaining values are, so here we get 25 times of b minus 1 is equals to 0. So in the next step, we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write b is equals to 0, and the second case is we write 25b minus 1 is equals to 0. So this is our first root of the given equation, which we get here from first method. And now here in order to find the other roots, we need to solve this equation. Okay, so from here we first move this minus b to the right hand side, and it will becomes 25b is equals to plus 1. And for the values of b, we divide both of the sides by 25. So when we divide by 25, it will become 25b divided by 25, and 1 is divided by 25. This value is cancelled out by this value, and we get our b is equals to 1 divided by 25. So this is the second root of the given equation, which we get here from first method. And now here in the next steps, we need to verify that is both of these two roots are solution, or both of these two roots are extraneous to 1. So for this we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is square root of b divided by b is equals to 5, and in this side we will be verify b is equals to 0, and in this side we will be verify b is equals to 1 divided by 25. So we verify both of these two values one by one, and when we substitute this value of b into the left hand side, it will become square root of 0 divided by 0 is equals to 5. So we have this is 0 divided by 0 equals to 5, and 0 divided by 0 is usually called that it is the indeterminate form, because 0 by 0 be the indeterminate form, or in other words we just say that it is undefined. So if our left hand side is undefined, it means that both of the sides are not equal, and if both of the sides are not equal, this concludes that the value of b is equals to 0 is not satisfied our given question statement. So we call b is equals to 0 be the extraneous root of the given equation. Okay, so b is equals to 0 be the extraneous root. And now here we need to verify or check the second root of this equation. So this is the second value, and when we put this value into the left hand side, it will becomes square root of 1 divided by 1 over 25, and this is 1 divided by 1 over 25 is equals to 5 or not. This is our plane, and here you see that square root of 1 becomes 1 and square root of 25 becomes 5. And when we have denominator to the denominator, so that the term in the denominator is reciprocal and it is multiplied by the numerator term, and it will becomes 25 divided by 1. And here we check that is this equals to 5 or not. So this 5 times 5 becomes 25, and here we easily see that 5 is equals to 5. So this shows that the value of b is equals to 1 over 25 is satisfied our given question statement. So we conclude about the solution set of the given question is that the solution set is b is equals to 1 over 25. So this is the only one solution of the given equation which we get here. And in the next step, we again solve this problem for second method. And in the second method, we need to copy down given question statement here. So the given question statement is square root of b divided by b is equals to 5. This is our given question statement. And here in the second method, I can just give you another smart way to get the roots of this equation. So here we need to focus in the denominator term, and we write this denominator term into the form of product of two square root terms. Okay, so we write b as square root of b into square root of b equals to 5. So you see here this square root of b is cancelled out by this square root of b, and here we get the remaining values are 1 over square root of b is equals to 5. So further we interchange these two values. We move square root of b to the right hand side and we move 5 to the left hand side. So after interchanging these two values, we get here 1 over 5 is equals to square root of b. So for the values of b, we need to take squaring on both of the sides in order to remove the square root sign. So this 2 and this square root are gone, and we get here b is equals to 1 over this 5 square becomes 25. So this is the value of b which we get here from second method, but already in the first method we verify that this value of b is satisfied our given question statement. So the solution set is that b is equals to 1 over 25 be the solution set. So this is the final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.